Today's featured car of the day is a 1977 Porsche 924 Coupe. And this one sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $4,700. And this was back in 2019. And I just found the footage for it. So I figured I'd put it on here. Somebody would probably enjoy seeing it. And this one was in the rare color of signal green, which you don't see too much, especially on the 924s. But I would read you the seller's comments, but unfortunately there aren't any because they didn't have any at the auction. And that might have been part of the reason why it didn't sell for more money. I noticed it had a collector plate on it from state of Arizona. So, and it also wouldn't pass smog in California, so only a dealer could buy it, or you couldn't buy it in the state of California. It'd have to be an out-of-state buyer, so that limits the price as well. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1977 Porsche 924 Coupe in signal green with tan interior, and it sold for $4,700 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, back in 2019. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.